G'day DIYers. Now this gets a little bit tricky. This is going to be the floor tile here. So what I've got to do is go up here. I've got a level line coming off that. I must come up there and be bang on. I'm using a mastic, but it's a mix it yourself mastic. If I was using the one pot mastic, I would start from here and hang my tiles and work down. But I'm not, and it's the mastic I'm using isn't that much of an instant stick, so I've got to build up. But anyway, I've got to make sure that I'm dead level coming off that, and I am, so I should be right by the time, but I will make sure I'll hit that line in one go, and then I know I'm right.